How to change language in Baidu Map app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Baidu app. From the app, there is no one way to simply change the language. So what you can do is go to Play Store and download this app called Instant Translate on Screen. And after you download, open the app. Here, you'll find the start icon. Click on the start icon at the bottom. Then open the Baidu app. You'll find a display icon on the right side. Simply click on it and drag the magnifying glass to the Baidu app. And after you do that, it will translate to which language you want it to be after you've selected the language at the first in the translator app. And this is how to change language in Baidu Map app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.